This is a wireless lav mic kit built like earbuds, and it's called the Vimo S. The mic company Comica sent them to me to help improve my production quality, and here's a quick overview of how exactly they do that. There's good audio quality at 48 kHz, 24-bit, and it's not going to rival stuff like my voiceover quality, but it's great for the form factor. You get up to 15 hours of usage time and a max wireless range of 200 meters, and all this is housed in a super slick design where the mics pop out the top and the receiver slides out the bottom, ready to be plugged into any device you want to record or monitor with. Let's wrap things up with some audio tests.
Make sure I'm in focus and in frame. Everything looks good, and now it's going to change as I start walking around and get some motion into this test. And I'm going to come over here. Hopefully nothing bad going on, because this is like an ideal situation. This one's an edited audio test in a much bigger space. This is about as extreme as my testing is going to get, because in my day-to-day use with this mic, I don't see myself getting any further away when it comes to the distance between the mic and the receiver,